You think space is silent? You are wrong. In a vacuum, yes, no one can hear you scream. But in the Perseus galaxy cluster, there is so much gas, it carries sound. NASA recorded this. Listen carefully. Leave 2 seconds for sound effect. This is the sound of a black hole singing. It is a B-flat note, 57 octaves below middle C. Humans can't hear it naturally, so NASA pitched it up billions of times. It sounds like a ghost screaming from the grave. Do you want to hear more cosmic horrors? Subscribe to Cosmic Secrets Hub now.